The official start to the Tundra rebuild.
Shit!
Happens today.
Hell yeah, brother.
What's the problem right now? What are we seeing?
We've got a drop valve on cylinder 8 on the intake side. And the piston rod is completely broken. Oh, it's not what I wanted, but it's good, it's apart. So here's the whole thing right here. That's pretty much it right there. It's missing a little piece. Oh wow. Where'd that piece go, man? Be good.
Going to pick up the engine from the machine shop. Got to drive like an hour and a half to go do that.
Well, we sandblasted the block here before we took it there, so that all they had to do is surface everything for us. We got all the valves out and all organized. So hopefully we don't have to do too much re-shimming work. She looks pretty clean. I think this is the cylinder that the piston rod broke on. We're just going to hand lap some new valves in there and check everything, make sure it's all to spec. But yeah, it looks like some good clean work. This is your, I think it's an oil pan gasket. It's all decent quality stuff right here for a stock rebuild. All new pistons, wrist pins, bearings, rings, new water pump, new oil pump, alternator, tensioner, valves, a bunch of shit, man. It's gonna be a good quality build.
Hell yeah. So far we've got all the parts together. We got a snorkel, so hopefully this won't ever happen again. The cause of this whole epidemic. We replaced everything we thought might be a problem just to go ahead and get that out of the way. Next stop, 1,000,000 miles.
Yeah. A 1,000,000-mile engine right there.
Exactly. Nice, dog.
Just gotta get in there and lube it up.
Remember how crusty this thing looked when we first pulled it apart with like the rat's nest in it and everything? She's looking pretty now, you couldn't even tell.
Side done, dude.
Looking good. So we got the headers on. They're all mounted up. The thing is though, they definitely stick out. a good bit further than the stock ones did. So basically these are like one-time use gaskets, and we don't want to tighten them all the way down now and then have to take them off later to get them in the engine bay. So we're just going to go ahead and leave the bolts loose for now. Hopefully we don't forget to tighten them later. But yeah, we're going to get ready to try and fit it in there. What's the issue you're having right now?
Fine, torque specs.
Can't find the torque specs.
Not radiation. Well, then wouldn't it? Everybody be getting sick and dying. I mean, bigger engine probably is. How's it looking, dude?
Crusty.
Damn. Gotta be careful. Twisted my finger between the screw head. Ow. Well, I got her plopped in. Kinda needs to go back like an inch and a half, but freaking bull bar is in the way. Might have to figure out a different way to sling it to get it to go back another inch and a half, or I don't know. I'm gonna have to jack up the transmission too and get it in place, but she's in there. We got her resting under her own weight, sitting on all the mounts, got all the screws in. Had to do this to get the engine to go forward enough. She's in there. Need to pull the front to the passenger side.
So what else we have left to do, man?
Belt, hook up like the transmission cooler lines on the bottom of the radiator, the coolant lines on top, tighten the exhaust flange bolts, and then go over everything and check it, and then I think we should be good. Put oil and coolant in it. Got it. The back half of the exhaust is just so crusty.
Yeah. That's getting replaced later on.
It's good behind the cat. Like, it's good in front of the cats. I mean, so.
I already got that one picked out too.
Yeah, it'll run fine. It's just gonna be
Alright, So we ordered an oil pressure sensor and the front O2 sensors, but one was coming from China and the other one was coming from Japan. So we had to hit up O'Reilly's for them.
Pay way too much money.
Yeah. So how much were the ones that we bought from eBay?
From eBay, we got the front U-joints for the drive shaft. We got all 4 O2 sensors, and we got the oil pressure thing for $100.
Damn.
And then I'm sure O'Reilly's is more than double that.
It was about $240 at O'Reilly, and we only got one of these, meaning that we have to go back and get the other one. So, third trip to O'Reilly's in 12 hours.
Yeah, I think these are $80 a piece at O'Reilly's. 87 a piece. Throwing out my shoulder trying to torque this. But this awkward position.
Well, that's that. Just pulled up at O'Reilly's, about to grab this sensor, which we would have got it the first time we were here, but oh well.
Last thing we need, man.
Yep.
Let's get her done.
Yeah, yeah.
Where's that? Gas? Oh yeah, fuel line come off.
That's crazy. Yeah, I know. I'm stoked. I'm super stoked.